Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to add another device to your Logitech Harmony 665. So take your remote and a cable that was in the box. Oh, it's tangled. Okay, I'll deal with it later. So now put one end into your remote and the other one to your PC. Now open MyHarmony app. Wait for it to load because it usually takes some time. Okay, that was fast. Wait, and here click on your remote. Now go to Devices and click Add Device. Here put in your manufacturer, for example Sony, and here device model number. Okay, I went to check but I don't have anything to add right now, but after that just click the Add button and there you should go. It should appear like this Samsung TV right here. After that you can just unplug your remote. And that's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.